What you gonna do? You love that little stuffed animal, huh? You getting tired, baby? Huh? I think you are. Yeah. Come here. Come get your monkey here. What's a monkey here? Ooh, he wants you. Yeah. Can you get your monkey? Huh? What? What's he trying to say? Are you tired, baby? I bet you want a baba and a night-night, huh? And there's your monkey. Let him have some fun. Yeah. There we go. There we go. What's he doing, huh? You gonna close the door again? Huh? Okay. Good. There we go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. What's he doing? Boom. Big boom. What's you doing? You gonna get on your horsey? Huh? Okay, let's get you on your horsey. There we go. You're just a climber. Want some help? You want some help? Huh? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you with the camera. Gonna get you. Get you. Get you. Get you. Pick up, pick up. You see the light? You see the light, huh? Okay, Grandma gonna get you. Ready? Ready? Here we go. Get you. I'll get you. I'll get you. No, don't give me. You sweet baby. Oh, you sweet baby. Are you tired? We'll do upside down. Upside down, baby. Let's see if we can get you to walk one more time. Come to Grandma. Come on to Grandma. You can go to your horsey or something. I think someone's tired. Is that your tired voice? Huh? What you doing? What you doing? There's a little walker. Uh-oh.